Hello everyone, this video will briefly introduce the development of DWIN Android screen. The development language is Java, and the development platform is Android Studio. The environment preparation of Android Studio is described in details in Quick Guide for DWIN Android screen. So is the DWIN Android tools. Its main content is to move this file and the API file to the corresponding project location. Common functions of the DWIN Android screen are also introduced in the quick guide. This is the file overview. And the basic activities in DWIN tools. Next, open Android Studio. For the first time, you need to wait for build to complete, and the PC should be networked for this operation. After build is completed, you can generate APK. Then find the APK in the build folder. Copy to the USB flash drive. The following part is the DWIN Android screen operation. Insert the USB flash drive. Power on the DWIN Android screen. Open Explorer. Open USB folder. Click APK to install it. And now you can see the basic functions. And I'm demonstrating the auto rotation function. And you can also delete it. That's all. Thank you for watching.